And ladies and gentlemen, hello. In today's video, we're going to be going over some tools that I've had to pick up to work on cars and certain projects that have come up. As each project has come by, each car has become more and more complicated than the last. These specialty tools were purchased in order to make these jobs easier. And in this video, I'm going to introduce these new tools to help these jobs go easier and faster in this video right now. Today, what I want to share with you is two tools I picked up. The last time that I worked on a 2024 Corvette, I was changed the brakes on it and I was having some problems because I didn't have the correct tools. And today I want to introduce two tools that will help you do your brake changes more efficiently and better. So let's get to it. And here we have this two-piece piston wind back tool. This is the tool that I needed to do the brakes on the 2020 the 2024 Camaro that I did a few weeks ago. I did not record that, but I did have a lot of trouble compressing the rear piston on this machine because this tool specifically goes into the rear brake. It's able to wind back the brake caliper because those are not compressed in by a clamp. They're turned in. This tool helps facilitate that. And another piece that I picked up is this brake collapsing tool that you put inside Brembo brakes. This will stick inside a Brembo brake. You go ahead and ratchet this tool up and down, and these two will compress both pistons at the end at the same time, so that you don't have to put a C-clamp on one side with an old brake and a C-clamp on the other side with an old brake. You wind up scratching the finish. So for example, on this Mercedes AMG, these are a set of factory Brembo brakes that come on the vehicle. Absolutely gorgeous for this performance vehicle. So when you're removing the entire brake caliper and changing out the brake pads, in order not to scratch this beautiful finish that it has, you put this tool after removing the brake pads, put it in between the brake caliper, ratchet it out. It will compress the pistons back out to their original spots enough so you can get the new brake pads inside without scratching the finish of these gorgeous Brembo brakes on these performance vehicles. Like on this AMG, like on any performance vehicle that comes with these Brembo style one-piece or two-piece Brembo brakes, you'll use this tool to separate and push in the brake pistons so you can get your new pads in. And that's why they always say, get the right tool for the right job. And hello, what I want to share with you today is a new toy that I picked up. This is going to be the project that I'm working on for the Mercedes AMG. That we're dropping the transmission for the rear main seal. This is our new transmission jack. I have removed transmissions from other vehicles in the past with a jack, with one foot against the car, the other foot jacking up the jack, holding the transmission for dear life so it doesn't fall on me and kill me. And this is an actual tool that will help me complete my project without killing myself. So I'm really excited to get to use this new project, this new jack on our new project where we're removing the transmission, sliding it back to change the rear main seal on the AMG Mercedes that we are working on. So I'm really glad to use this product and show you how it's used, and hope you guys enjoy the video when I finally get to use it, which will be in just a few days. So thanks for tuning in. I will catch you. One of the tools we went ahead and picked up is a 2967 impact gun. This is a Milwaukee impact gun. Went ahead and picked it up over at Home Depot. This has 1,500 pounds of busting torque that will remove any bolt off of any car. This helps take off axle nuts, hub nuts, all the bolts that are on there with super high torque, 150 pounds of torque. This will rip them right off. This is a third generation high torque impact gun. This makes short work of hub bolts, differential bolts, anything that's high torque that needs to be ripped off, that you have to use a breaker bar. This thing makes short work of it because it's such a short and powerful gun. It is 2 inches shorter than the previous model and has helped out on so many projects already. I want to give a small introduction to it. It's one of the best tools that I picked up. If you don't have one of these, I highly recommend picking one up because it helps out with so many projects and it has helped me out so many times. And here we have the 2967. This package came with its own carrying case. This charger, and here's the 2967 high torque impact gun. It comes with its own Milwaukee carrying case. Inside the case comes with a charger, the actual gun, and a battery. The battery that it came with is not the battery I have. I upgraded to the Forge lithium ion battery. This is a 8.0 battery. This will boost the power by another 100 foot-pounds, boosting the gun up from 1500 to 1600. So it helps with power. It makes the gun even more efficient than it already is. And here we have the 2967 high impact torque gun. This generation has 3 LED lights in front. So whenever you're turning things on, you get a little bit of light on the bolts that you are hitting. Once you add it with the battery, you'll see the LED lights come on. Rubber insulator cup here in the front. Forward. Reverse. 4 pickable speeds. Depending on how much torque you want. If you want it light, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. An adjustable gun. Super powerful. Helps out on so many projects. One of my better purchases.
One more bolt, Oscar, over here.
It's heavy. Hold on. Let me help you. And ladies and gentlemen, it is my greatest pleasure to introduce the new toolbox for the garage. This is a Husky 96-inch work toolbox mobile workbench with a stainless steel top, colored in beautiful matte black, offering a robust solution for tool storage and a functional workspace. This toolbox has 16 deep drawers. The construction is heavy duty, 19 grade, all welded steel construction with industrial matte black powder coated textured finish. The dimensions and capability: it is a 24-inch deep, providing more usable storage space. It can store up to 4,500 pounds of tools and has a capacity of 4,800 cubic inches. Work surface features a 1¼ inch thick stainless steel worktop. The drawers include 16 drawers with extensions, 125-pound rated soft closing ball bearing drawers, and a premium plastic liner inside each drawer. This is also equipped with 2 magnetic power strips, each featuring 6 outlets, 2 USB ports, and 1 USB-C port located on both ends of the unit. This unit comes with 8 large 6-inch by 2-inch heavy-duty spring casters, making this toolbox mobile if you do need it. This toolbox is great for organizing tools, making sure that none of them get lost, are easily locked up and safe for security, and keeps everything in order, and is one of the larger purchases that we have made upgrading this garage to work on our projects. I am so very proud to present this toolbox to you, and I know that it will appear in many videos coming in the future. So please stay tuned. So this is just a small showcase of the tools that we picked up so far, and I don't think that these will be the last that we pick up. So I foresee more complicated projects coming in the future, and I hope you guys tune in to watch it. So ladies and gentlemen, these are just a couple tools that I've picked up to help me in fixing these vehicles that I put in my videos. I hope that you guys enjoy the videos that I'm making as much as I enjoy making them for you. Please tune into the next video where we continue working on the Mercedes-AMG and other cars that come along the way. Thank you for watching, and give a like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing, and let me know what you'd like to see, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day.